This is the back fence adjacent to Anderson Park in our backyard. And it's illustrating that a lot of the water runoff from Anderson Park came through here. You can kind of tell that the grass is pushed in a certain direction. That right there is because of all of the runoff that we experienced that came directly from that direction into our backyard, which ended up flooding our backyard, and a lot of the runoff as a result came into our back patio area. All of this was underwater and came through here. We ended up opening this back gate just to relieve some of the runoff. But you can see as I come through here that this is the fence that I'm talking about, where all the water came through, and that's Anderson Park right there. This used to be the same level as our backyard, and they've had to put up a raised or elevated slab to accommodate the futsal court. And as a result, all of the elevation from Grace Bible Church and the park now runs through this lot and directly into our yard, and caused water to come into our house for the first time in the 27 years that we've lived here. Not just once, but twice within the past week.